Let's tour in this house designed in IKEA with 62 square meter.